This is State Street and Audubon Street in New Haven, Connecticut. We're removing a traffic signal today as part of this project. This road used to have multiple lanes in each direction, but because of the project revising the geometry, now we only have one lane each direction, and Audubon Street over there is a very low volume road. So we're converting Audubon Street to a stop sign. State Street will be free flow, and this traffic signal is coming down. It's just not worth the cost to maintain it in the future or fully replace it. So instead, for pedestrians, we have these rectangular rapid flashing beacons installed, and traffic is just going to flow on State Street much better without this signal needlessly delaying people when there's very low traffic on Audubon Street. So the signal heads have been removed. They're down on the sidewalk over there. And they're removing the mast arm right now. That's coming down while traffic is stopped. When you're looking to install a new traffic signal, the engineers have to run a warrant analysis to show that the signal is warranted. There's a whole bunch of different warrants. Most of them are based on traffic volume, how much traffic is going to be on the main street versus how much traffic is trying to come out of the side street and find a gap to get into the traffic on the main street. Basically, if it shows that side street traffic would not be able to find an adequate gap, then that might warrant the installation of a traffic signal. There's also warrants for pedestrian crossing volumes, the presence of a school nearby, railroads. So that's for installing a new traffic signal, but if you want to remove a traffic signal, you can also run a warrant analysis to see if the warrants are no longer met. So for this intersection, used to be multiple lanes, now it's only one lane each direction, and there's a very low volume of traffic on Audubon Street. So we were able to run a warrant analysis again for the current traffic volumes and proposed lane geometry, and none of the warrants were met. So that's one of the reasons why this traffic signal is being removed.